Hey everybody, Christian Pepper Gal here, and today I'm going to share with you my spring garden seeds. This came in the mail just the other day from Baker's Creek Seed Company, and I just wanted to share them with you. I promised that I would on the blog that I wrote about my spring garden. So here we go. This is my seeds order for my 2020 spring garden. Let's see what we've got here. We've got vegetables. We've got herbs. And we've got flowers. So I got cucumbers, sage, an aster mix of flowers. I've got peppers, rosemary. I actually think we may have rosemary growing on the homestead, but I wanted to go ahead and plant some just in case it's not what I think it is. Then I've got stevia. I use stevia as a sugar replacement, and I thought, why not make my own? You know, grow it and make my own. That way I really know that it's true stevia. Then I've got some thyme. We have one type of lettuce. I've got another one too. And parsley, oregano. Yes, all the Italian spices I could think of. Gaillardia, I'm not even sure. But it was a pretty flower. And I wanted to plant flowers so that it will attract the bees for... I've got some marigold, which I read were good for planting with your tomato plants, to help keep the worms away, those big green worms. And then we've got, this is the other lettuce. I don't know why it doesn't have a picture, but it's just a regular head lettuce. I've got cabbage. Got some cherry tomatoes. Some regular tomatoes. And then another regular tomato, just to see which ones we like best. Then we've got some Indian corn, which we are planning on using to grind up corn flour. Sorry, sometimes my brain doesn't think fast enough. Then we've got some carrots, some onions, green beans, and I like the bush green beans, so these are bush style. They sent an extra marigold. I think I may have ordered 2 accidentally, but that's okay because there's plenty of room for the flowers. And this one, this was orange flame, but this one is orange Hawaii, so there's a slight difference in them. And then I got a free packet of kale, a free packet of some really strange looking radishes, and a free packet of flowers. So that was my reward from Baker Seeds for ordering all these other seeds, and I thought it was a pretty good reward myself. So I'm looking forward to planting all of these. We're going to have raised gardens, and we'll have 3 4x8 garden beds, and then 2 4x4s, and then the herbs I'm going to get pretty good sized planters to plant them in so I can place them different places around the garden and around the camper and homestead. That really is all I wanted to share with you today. I will have more coming up on the garden. I do plan on videoing and sharing with you the putting together the raised beds, the planting, the soil mixtures, everything that we're going to be doing for the garden. I want to share with you because it's helpful. I'm learning, and in my learning, I want to help you be able to learn as well. So there'll be the mistakes, there'll be the successes, and everything in between to go with it. So you might want to just stay tuned for that, because you never know what's going to happen around here. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you are not a subscriber and you would like to know when my next videos are uploaded, then click on the subscribe button down below, and then click on that little bell that's next to that subscribe button, and you will be notified every time I upload a video on YouTube. And I want to thank all of my subscribers. I just recently reached the 200 mark, and I'm really excited about that. And I just thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really, truly appreciate it. It's not just about me, but it's to also help you learn, to help us learn together. And I just so appreciate each and every one of you that watches my videos. If you have anything you'd like to add or suggest to what I've shared with you today, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. I do read the comments and I do respond to the comments, so I appreciate that. I love interaction with you. Okay, that's it for today. So until next time, happy prepping and God bless.